Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a very curious case that got me really thinking. And someone on Facebook was saying that they have this problem. They can't. They have a file with the wrong um, expression here, the wrong order. It should be 100 and then the percentage sign, like this one. So they have something like this, but with a lot of cells that contain that. And they want to change that, and they want to do it fast. Okay, so you can't do it on Excel anymore, I'm afraid. Regex is not supported on Excel, at least not easily. I couldn't find it anywhere. I Googled it. Uh, but still, I know how to do it. So I'm just going to click here to copy the whole spreadsheet, and then I'll go to Google Sheets, okay? Just create a new spreadsheet, paste whatever you have, go to Edit, Find, and Replace. Search, activate search using regular expressions. Type the regular expression that will find percentage, the number character, any number of characters, and then I create a group around the number, which is the actual part I want to keep. And now I will replace this one with this expression, sorry, it's like that, this expression that will recover the group I created, and then the percentage sign. Click replace all, and that's it, magic. And then of course all you have to do is copy the whole spreadsheet back. You delete whatever you had on Excel, you paste it on Excel, and there you go. If you want to, you can just click here and say paste text only, and it will be just as you started, but with the right expressions here.